How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can update firmware for your SteelSeries product. So the first thing that you want to do is to actually get the SteelSeries GG application. Now you could get this free for the official website on the official website. Now you also want to make sure that you connect the wireless base station to your computer. So you want to avoid directly connecting your headphones to the actual computer. So if you have a wireless headphones, you want to connect that to the wireless base first and then connect the base to your computer. Now if you have a wired headphones, of course you could just connect it using the normal USB port, and from there you should be good to go. Now to update your firmware, if you have an update pending, you will be able to see this banner right here, critical update, click to install your firmware. So just click on it, and from there you will now begin the installation process. But if you cannot see this banner, it means that your firmware is already updated to the latest version. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.